Good day, everyone. This is Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today I've got the pleasure of taking you through a 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX powered by twin 300 outboards. Stepping in the back of the boat, see a nice little lounger. Swim step that drops down into the water. Conveniently located battery switches, dockside step right here. This is a cooler in the floor. Stepping into the boat, you see the day kitchen, sink, cooler, refrigerator, trash compartment. I've got the sunroof open today. Axios joystick, dual throttle controls, dual SIM-RAD screens, absolutely loaded out, Fusion audio system, beautifully sized head, and a spacious bow. Stainless steel wind sinker. Any questions on this boat? Anything else we have in our inventory? Go to MarineMax.com or give me a shout, 573-606-3035.